Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how you can take a completely fresh Raspberry Pi and, in just a few minutes, turn it into a full-screen YouTube kiosk, fully managed and updatable over the air using Thymis. Here's what you'll need: a Raspberry Pi with its power cable, a screen and HDMI or display cable to connect it, a microSD card, and a card reader or writer for your laptop. And of course, a laptop or computer with internet access to run Thymis and flash the image. That's everything. Now let's move into Thymis. The first step is to create a new device configuration for our Raspberry Pi. In the sidebar, I click on Configs and then Create Device Configuration. I'll give it a name. Let's call this Pi YouTube Demo and select my hardware type, in this case the Raspberry Pi 4. Next, I'll go into the Core Device Configuration module to add my Wi-Fi information. That way, as soon as it boots, the Pi will automatically connect back to Thymis. Now comes the fun part. I'll add a Kiosk module. This module makes the device start up with a single full-screen web page. I'll paste in the YouTube link I want, with autoplay turned on, so that as soon as the Pi comes online, it will immediately start playing that video in full screen. That's literally it. With those settings, my image is ready to build. Now that the image is ready, I'll download it from Thymis. Once the build finishes, I get a single image file, a full system image that includes my Wi-Fi credentials, kiosk configuration, and everything else. You can expect to wait about 4 minutes for the first build image to complete. Future images will build much quicker now that the cache is populated. Now that the image has downloaded, we can flash it onto my SD card. On my laptop, I can use USB Imager or the classic DD command. In my case, I've already got USB Imager set up, so I just select the image file and hit write. Our SD card is now ready. With that done, the card goes straight into my Raspberry Pi. I'll plug in the power. And let's watch. On the very first boot, the Pi automatically connects back to Thymis controller and applies the device configuration I just created. And Chromium launches right into full screen, playing my YouTube video. No SSH, no extra steps, just flash and boot, and the device provisioned itself completely. In our Thymis controller, you can see that the device has registered itself and that it's up and running. If we now want to, for example, see what's going on the screen right now, we can enable VNC in the Kiosk module, deploy, and then, once our deployment has finished, we can look at the screen using the VNC tab and see live what's being displayed.